Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the T4TREAM 5 drawers dresser, a perfect blend of farmhouse charm and modern utility for your home. This stylish dresser features a unique design with 5 spacious drawers and a sliding barn door, offering ample storage for your clothing, linens, and more. Measuring 31.25 inches wide, 15.57 inches deep, and 48 inches high, it fits seamlessly into any bedroom, hallway, or living room. The sliding barn door glides smoothly on a metal track, revealing adjustable shelves that provide flexible storage options for items of various sizes. Crafted from durable engineered wood with a distressed neutral finish, this dresser is built to last, supporting up to 25 pounds per drawer and 100 pounds on the tabletop. Its multifunctional design makes it an ideal addition to any space, helping you maintain a clutter-free and organized environment. With easy-to-follow assembly instructions and a commitment to quality, the T4TREAM dresser is a reliable choice for enhancing your home's storage solutions. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.